What up, YouTube? Hey, I don't want you guys in the commentary talking about this nigga be wearing the same shirt. Don't even do that. Stop. I got two of these things, boy. Two of them. And they both got different designs right here where they both got the S for speed. You feel me?
Need for speed.
But other than that, your boy is going to do a tutorial real quick before, you know, it gets too dark and there's no light out. We're about to see if Luis can handle the little horses on this bad boy and just do an ordinary burnout. Just like Paul. We're about to let Paul get on it. Let's give it some more light. There we go. See if Paul can do a burnout in the Camaro. But other than that, let's get out of here. Let's do this. Yeah, man. All right, so we made it to our spot. Spot number 1 here in Mexico. Hopefully we don't get no boys, cops, nothing. You feel me? We're going to give it a try. My car looks so ugly without having a side skirt on the other side. But here you go, Paul. You record from the outside, my bad. And I'm going to record from the inside with the GoPro. All right. Huh? Why? Ready?
He needs some milk.
Wide angle on it. Let's go. Luis said he's about to give it his first try. This is a tutorial. You got to put it in first gear. I know it's in sports mode. You got to put it in first. That one. This is downshift. That's first. So it's gonna go. There it is. See, look, manual 1. You see it? Manual 1. All right, now you're missing something else. Nothing. You just. This is how you downshift, this is how you upshift. Yeah. So to do a standstill burnout, all you gotta do is step on the brakes, step a little bit on the accelerator, and start to let go of the brakes and put more pressure on the accelerator. And the wheels will start to spin. But because you're already starting off wrong, it's not gonna spin. It's just gonna kick you out. See? You want me to teach you what you're doing wrong? What? You're not putting the traction control off.
Where's the traction control?
It's right here. Yeah.
So you gotta let off the brake.
Yeah. And accelerate and keep your foot on the brake. Don't take it off all the way. There it goes. It's spinning. Oh. Wrong.
Yeah. Even if I have my foot all the way on the brake.
Nah, you got it. You got it. Leave it on manual mode.
Just leave it on manual mode.
Leave it on manual mode. Go back to first. See, I told you guys. People be thinking this shit easy, boy. Alright, so put it in first gear. You got it? It's in first. Now you gotta
start accelerating.
Yeah, start accelerating.
Start taking your foot off
the gas, but it's gonna stay on the brake. So keep your right foot on the brake and keep your keep your right foot on the gas, your left foot on the brake. So keep going.
Down, right?
Yeah, all the way down, and then you're gonna start to let go a little bit off the brake on the left, and then you're gonna let the RPMs go up and keep going. No. You can stop. We're not doing nothing. All right, let's see if we can get the wheels a little bit more wet. The tires, I mean. The floor is plenty wet outside, but let's just see if we can do something better. But I'm telling you, that thing ain't easy. Yo! Back up a little bit, because we'll start to spin. Do the good side, bro. I don't got a side square here. Let's go. Go back a little bit, now go forward a little bit.
And that manual?
Yeah, manual, nigga, just go forward a little bit. See, this is why they want to do it here, because the car is always coming. Alright. Let this guy pass by, and then we'll see, Luis. Yup, go ahead, hold the...
So, to 300 or 400?
Nah, it's gonna, once it starts moving, you're gonna feel it. Go ahead. See? Pull up. Alright, let go of the gas. Of the gas.
The gas?
Gas, let go of the gas, dummy. If it's not going, then don't force it. You gotta start over again.
Oh, okay.
Alright, let's go. Nah, it's not. It's ratrando. Now let go of the brakes a little bit and press the gas more. See? RPM. Oh my God. You gotta hold it, bro.
I know, I was gonna hold it, pero que se me estaba yendo de lado.
Then control it.
I know.
Oh God. You gotta control it. You gotta counter steer it. And you gotta hold your foot and keep the RPM from touching 6. Alright, so let's start over. Move out the road though. There's a lot of fucking people in Mexico today, I swear.
Well, would you look at that?
Alright, we with Paul right now. He's gonna do the burnout.
What? Yeah, sure. Thank you. Damn. Sound like fucking gunshots. Shit.
No flames?
A little bit.